Welcome back. Pick up your Wordy English Tales practice notebook. Open it to a fresh page. Feel the paper. This notebook is your neurological sanctuary. It is a place where big problems become small steps. Today, we learn how to beat procrastination in just 10 minutes. Let's begin. Have you ever felt frozen? You have a big task, but you don't know where to start. Your brain feels heavy and tired. In 2026, we call this brain overwhelm. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that makes decisions, is tired. It sees a big mountain and wants to go to sleep. The secret to winning is not working harder. The secret is the 10-minute rule. This rule tells your brain, we are not going to finish the mountain. We are only going to walk for 10 minutes. When you agree to only 10 minutes, the fear center of your brain stays quiet. But here is the trick. You must write your 10-minute plan in your notebook first. Today, I want to tell you the story of Leo. Leo wanted to start a new business, but he was overwhelmed. He spent hours scrolling on his phone because he was afraid of failing. His mind was a mess. He met Dr. Aris. Aris told him, Leo, stop thinking about the business. Just pick up your notebook. Write down one tiny task that takes 10 minutes. Then do it. If you want to stop after 10 minutes, you can. But you must start. Image. The brain's prefrontal cortex versus the amygdala. The notebook, a sanctuary for all ages. Your notebook is the most important tool for the 10-minute rule. It is a physical contract with yourself. For young people, it teaches you how to start difficult homework without crying or feeling stressed. For adults, it helps you manage a busy life by breaking mountains into molehills. For seniors, it keeps your executive function active. It helps you stay organized and independent. When you write 10 minutes in your sanctuary, you are teaching your brain that you are in control. Let's try a micro win right now. Stop the video, open your notebook, write down one thing you are procrastinating on. Now write. I will work on this for only 10 minutes. Why does this work? This is the Zeigarnik Effect. Once you start a task, your brain wants to finish it. The hardest part is the first 10 minutes. Your notebook gives you the spark to start the fire. Leo started the 10-minute rule. Every morning in his practice notebook, he wrote one 10-minute task. Usually, once he started, he didn't want to stop. He realized that he wasn't lazy. He was just overwhelmed. He stopped freezing and started moving. He learned to get the ball rolling, and his business grew faster than he ever imagined. Key concepts for your success. Get the ball rolling. To start something so that it can continue easily. Mutane into a molehill to make a big problem seem small and easy to solve. Action momentum. The power you get once you start moving, it is easier to keep going than to start. The science is clear. You don't need more time. You just need a 10-minute start in your notebook. Use your sanctuary to break the ice. Today, don't look at the mountain. Look at the first 10 minutes. Open your Wordy English Tales practice notebook and take the first step Now complete today's final challenge. On a new page, write my 10-minute win. The audit, write down one big goal. Now write 3 tiny steps that take 10 minutes each. Security and order. Write how it feels to see your big problems become small words on the paper. The identity. At the bottom, write in bold, I am a person of action. I only need 10 minutes. My notebook is my power. Thank you for being here. You are stronger than your procrastination. If you have your notebook, type action in the comments. The first step is done. Close your notebook and feel proud. Your brain is now ready to move. I will see you in the next story. Stay active and stay brave.